welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of this Diamond Art Club painting. It's a little smaller than my other paintings, and I didn't notice till I actually started going through my stash, and I found this one. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and as well, if you can like and subscribe, I appreciate that as well. So as I was saying, I was going through my stash because I'm going to do a stash video. I found this little painting and I did not know I had a small one this size. So I decided to do an unboxing to show to y'all. And then I'm going to do a kit up because I actually want to do this painting. I kind of want to do a small one because all my other paintings are really big. And I kind of want a small one on the side. And I kind of want this design actually on my wall, on my living room. So that's why win-win. That's why I picked this one. So if you're not familiar with purchasing a painting from Diamond Art Club, usually their boxes look this way. They are redesigned now, so they might, I don't believe they are putting out this design anymore, but if they still are, apologies, I haven't had a chance to purchase one of their new ones. So that's why I'm not too sure if every single time it's a different box. But if it's in this style, it's usually this way. It's a sturdy box, and there's a symbol in the front. It'll either be a circle and a square, or a square, which indicates whether it's a round or square diamond. I love that because it allows me to look through real quick. Oh, that's a round one, and I'll pick it up. And there's always an image of the painting in the front. And for this painting, it is called Love Potion. And I love landscapes, and I love that this small one is actually a landscape as well. And I love that it's on the box. On the side of the box as well, just lets you know what kind of diamond type it is. In the back, it's just some instructions on, if you're new to diamond painting, just in case you're curious, it'll tell you in the back. There's also information about the kit that will be in the box and what it contains. And on the side is a 10% off coupon QR code that you can scan for your next purchase. I always forget that there's a coupon code whenever I do one, so I'll remember that for next time. And yeah, that's pretty much what the box is. So let's take everything out. Give me one moment. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. So in the box, it always comes with the canvas, the toolkit, and for this painting, I purchased it through Amazon. And there is a kind of a small Diamond Art Club kind of store that's on Amazon, and the paintings are smaller. So I did purchase a couple, this one included, and when you do, it includes this little kind of warranty card. And what it allows you is to register the painting you bought on the Amazon store, just to let them know that it is an official Diamond Art Club painting, and it allows for the warranty and for any kind of an insurance. I love how it says insurance card. So if in case there's an issue with the painting, issue with the diamonds or anything, since you have it registered, you're letting them know, oh yeah, this is an official painting and I need some assistance. I need to register this one after I'm done recording. So, and fortunately I haven't had any issues with the paintings, but just in case, I'll still register it so I can have on record to let them know I have an official painting. So this is the canvas. It's always wrapped up in a nice little plastic covering. But let me put that aside real quick. We're going to go through the toolkit so you can see what's in it. Just as the box, the toolkit for their newer paintings are redesigned as well. So there might be some items that you might not receive if you purchase a new painting. Either from, well, I'm not too sure about the Amazon thing, but I believe it is also for the store. I believe it's any of their paintings. They'll have newer redesign, especially for the toolkit. So it comes in a real sturdy bag, and this is the items it comes with. It comes with a really sturdy Ziploc bags in case this is really useful if your style of kitting up, getting ready to paint. Ziploc bags, I really like these. They're really sturdy, and I'm actually using them for my stash of backup diamonds. I'm using these, and they're really, really good for it. Your standard pen and your squishy little pencil holder. So let me see if I can get this in, because usually I can't. Oh yay, I did. It's a nice sparkly pink, and this as well. I really do love the standard pens. Every now and then I'll switch them. And they're really good, especially if you're painting for hours. This really helps with your fingers. Some washi tape. Ooh, I haven't seen this color. It's a nice purple, and they're leaves. Let me see if I can kind of get that focused for you. Ooh, I really like this image. And it's plastic wrap. I never got one like that. Huh, that's pretty neat. And a cover reminder. So I do know their newer toolkits do not have cover reminders anymore. They kind of stopped making them. So, but I love that this older kit, it is an older kit, so that's why it still has it. It's so cute. It's a little pink bear with a strawberry. I've never seen this one. It's so cute. I love that. I'm gonna put it aside. I don't use cover reminders pretty much that much anymore, but I do like collecting them, so I have no problems with that. I just put it on my microphone. Sorry about that. Includes your standard wax in a little heart box with 2 little pads. I love their wax. It does a really good job to use if wax is more your style. I'm a big fan of this wax. And 2 multi-placers, a 4 and a 7. I love these as well. And your tray with a little stopper, which is really useful for when you pour your diamonds in the tray, do your painting, and once you finish with those diamonds, remove the stopper, pour them out, and voila, you're good to go. I use these trays. I love these trays a lot. And your trays as well are redesigned in their newer kits. So as I said, if it looks different than what I'm showing today, it's alright. It's just a redesign. So let me put this all aside real quick. I kind of don't want to lose anything because everything's really small. So let's look at the painting. Sorry, let's look at the canvas. So I usually take them out of the bag, but I was just really excited to record this one, so I kind of did not do that. So I put it aside. I just use the bags again for any paintings that I finish. I sometimes roll them up if I'm not putting them on the wall. I put them back in that plastic bag, and it's really useful to keep them safe and dust free and all of that. Their canvases are really velvety soft, as you can probably hear it. I'm not doing a remix. And they're really nice on the hands. They also have scallop edges and these kind of little imprints on the side. I believe that might be happening when they process the painting. I love using those since I hang up my paintings with thumbtacks on my walls. I don't frame every single one because some paintings are way too big. So let me unfurl it real quick. Oh my goodness, this painting is smaller than I thought. That is really neat. Huh. Oh, sorry. This surprised me. Like I said, I knew it was a smaller one. I did not know it was this small. Huh, this is really neat. And it always comes with a pamphlet with your diamond. And it also comes with labels. And mine is a little bit different, and I'll explain in a moment. It always comes filled up with this. And they're your labels, which I love because I've probably said before, I do not have a label maker. But these are already pre-cut, and they have an adhesive, which you'll probably see if I can kind of get this out. And see, as you can see, and they're really good because since I use little tube storage, they're really neat just to put them on there. I'm a big fan of that, and it comes with a larger image of the painting. So some information about the painting. It is called Love Potion by Linda Schulberg, and it is a round shape. The painting is 13 by 14.6 inches or 32.8 by 37 centimeters. And as I said, I did not know this painting was this small. I love it. So I've said probably earlier, I kind of want to do a smaller one on the side. And I really love this image, and I really kind of want it on my wall already. And these older kits do include a smaller sticker. A smaller sticker that you can include at the end of the box if you're organizing or for your logbook. I pretty much just collect them. They're an adhesive as well. I just have it stuck on the side so I don't lose it. So that's why you see the little labels holding it up. I really do like that. And oh my goodness, I just love this painting. I love all the tones, the trees. I love the reflection on the water. I cannot wait till I can start this one. And this is the little pamphlet that comes with it. Excuse me. It's just thanking you for your purchase and information of what the kit has. I'm sorry, what the whole painting setup has. It's in English, French, and Spanish. Some tips and tricks. If information about their VIP group, which is on Facebook, that you can scan the QR code, or sorry, so you can join. And on the other side, just information about, especially if you're a new diamond painter, and they have it as well for a video. And at the back, just information about their app. I love their app, and I say it every time I do an unboxing. And their app has anything they have on their website, they have it in the app as well. And you can scan the QR codes because it's available on iPhone and Android, and you're able to just find all the information you need. You can also find information for any new upcoming paintings, or if you want to purchase one as well, you can do it through the app. And your first time purchase would be a 20% off discount for your first time purchasing through the app. I am happy to say I am this time a Diamond Art Club affiliate, and I'll give you information about the code for myself at the end of this video. I really like these little pamphlets. I do save them. And these are the diamonds. Ooh, I really love these really dark tones. I see really, oh, I'm a big fan of that dark blue. And I love the, if you put away your painting and your diamonds in 2 different locations, I love that they put the painting name and the SKU number, just in case you decide, oh, I'm going to do this painting, you're able to locate the diamonds easier. I love that they do that. I'm a big fan of that. And this is the canvas. As I said, this is smaller than what I usually show in my unboxings. But oh my goodness, I love how small it is. And I love the image. It's so pretty. And as you can see, the drill field is really detailed. And same thing, if it's a darker tone, they put a lighter tone. If it's a lighter color, they put a darker tone for the drill. Because I'm a big fan of Diamond Art Club paintings. They're really clear, really easy to see. And I don't have any issues with them. So the canvas does have on top the name of the company and a little catchphrase. Sorry about that. Catchphrase, do what makes you sparkle. On the side is the legend, and this painting has 24 colors with 3 ABs. Oh, I didn't know this one had ABs. I'm getting surprised by this painting. I need to actually research more before I purchase. And I love the 24 colors. I'm a big fan of that. On the other side, there's also a legend on the lower right. And at the bottom of the canvas is just information on the website with their social media, hashtag as well. Another 10% discount code you can use for your next order. It's available here at the bottom. On the lower left corner is a small image of the painting in case you need to reference it. I love using these little images just in case the color, I want to make sure it's right. And information about the painting, the name, the artist, and the size dimensions. On the lower right corner, just information about their warranty. And so just in case you accidentally spill some diamonds, or if some diamonds or the painting itself is having an issue, it's just their customer service email. You can get in touch with them and work with them, and they'll help you resolve the issue. The paintings have a lifetime warranty, so let's say you decide to work on this painting, I don't know, 5 years from now, you'll be covered because of their warranty. I'm gonna do this painting probably real soon. So as I said, it's a nice mountain range with a coast with trees, sky with a nice full moon, wonderful lake. Oh, I just really love this image. So let's look at the diamonds. So there's 24 colors, which will be real quick for me. Maybe, unless I jinx myself. Usually, as I said, since I unboxed really large ones, they take me a little longer to show all the diamonds. But these, since they're 24, it shouldn't take me as long. I say that, but... So, oh my goodness, I really like these colors. Let me put there, actually, let me do the little strip. Oh, they're real small. So, the first color we have is 156, which is a nice light periwinkle color. 517, there are 2 packets of it, a nice dark ocean blue. 823, a really dark blue. And 803, a medium blue. Oh, I knew this painting didn't have a lot of blues, especially for the lake. So for the next strip, oops, sorry, I was upside down and I didn't notice that. And apologies for the crinkling noise that you're hearing. I'm trying to stay away from the microphone. 898, a nice cocoa brown. 128 are first AB. I'm going to see if I can get that a little closer for y'all. I love the shine of their ABs. They're really sparkly. I'm a big fan of it. It's a nice peachy color, and I like that as well. 210, a nice nice lilac color. 792, a darker kind of periwinkle color. 3371, a really dark cocoa color. 126, this is our second AB. Oh, it is such a pastel purple, as you can probably see. Ooh, it's really shiny. And 141 is our third AB. It's that nice kind of off-white color. As I said, I love the shine of their ABs. I'm a big fan of them. 3740, kind of a medium purple. 3326, a nice light pink. 3011, a nice kind of dark grass green. 3012, a lighter grass green. 301, a really dark orange. 327, a dark purple. 976, a really dark butterscotch color. 33.6, it is a dark blue. 38.57, another dark brown. 9.75, well, this is kind of like a wood brown. 38.36, sorry, I thought that was a 3. A nice light purple. 38.35, a dark violet. And our lovely 310, which is our black color. Thank goodness it's one packet. So let's see where the ABs are on this paint. Sorry about that. Let me move that aside real quick. So for AB number 1, which is 126, which was that nice kind of lightish purple, it's here in the water. Oh, it's going to highlight, which makes sense. Reflective water, it's going to be all sparkly. It's here in this light purple here. Oh, that's going to look so pretty against the dark blue. 128, I believe, was that nice peachy color. So that's number 2. And that color, oh, it's in the mountains. It's here in kind of the snow caps. You can see here in this white kind of light part. It's going to be up here. Oh, I love that the top of the mountains are going to be sparkly too. And for number 3, which is our nice, beautiful white AB, which is 141, it's also in the snow caps. Oh, and it's also in the moon. Oh, the little moon's going to be all sparkly. I like that. Oh my goodness, that's going to be so pretty. As I said, I love the dark blue colors of this painting. I cannot wait to set this one up. Oh, it's going to be so pretty. I'm a big fan of it. And yeah, so that's all I wanted to show to y'all today. As I said, I was surprised I had a painting this small in my stash. I knew I had to pick it up and show to y'all. I'm a big fan of it. And as I said earlier, I am a Diamond Art Club affiliate. So you'll see a code around in this corner. And it'll provide you $10 off for any new customer for your first purchase. So if you put in that discount code, it'll automatically take $10 off for whatever painting you purchase on their site. And trust me, trying to decide on which painting you want to use, it's going to be fun. So yeah, so any returning viewers, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful paintings that I love to do. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.